Okay, let me just introduce. This is FACET. FACET is the implementation of clone for high schools.
Yes.
So FACET is not a new software. Okay, so the engine that runs FACET is clone, the one that I described earlier. So FACET stands for Filtered Academic Content to Enhance Teaching. So just from the acronym or the name, okay, it's self-descriptive. Filtered, important. Academic, so this is not for entertainment, this is for academic. Then to enhance teaching, it's not to replace teaching. Okay? So, in a typical setup, you will have a server, a high-end PC, connected to a LAN, a local area network. So, the students and the faculty will get to watch videos, playlist videos, upload videos, recommend videos, all within their laboratory or media center. Okay, so it's self-contained. Even if they don't have internet access,
They could still see the video.
they can still see the videos. So, on the one hand, okay, FACET is the technology layer. That's the software and the hardware. On the other hand, FACET is also the content and the service. Okay. So, what typically happens is the student goes to the LAN, opens up a browser, and the browser points him to the server. So this is the startup page. Okay, so it's kind of small, so why don't we do large? Okay. So just to show you how big the database is right now, these are YouTube videos, so they are flash video. So FLV. Okay, so if I type FLV in the search box, okay, there's 6 videos that are published because I have not logged in. So this is the public portion. This is, okay, for the rest of the world to see, not what the teachers, okay, can access. So that shows you the gatekeeping functionality. Okay, so now log in, do the same search, FLV. All of a sudden, I have 5,664. So reflect upon 5,000 videos. Okay, if you have 200 class days, how many videos per day? Yeah. So you have 300 every day. No, 30 a day for 200 class days. Okay. So can you have 30, 40 unique videos for each day for, you know, an entire academic year? Absolutely yes. Okay, so no more shuttling around the VHS player, DVD, CD-ROM. Nasa pa, ay nag-scratch, ay mag-play, etc. Okay, so you've seen it, 5,600